Hi, my name is Jignesh Takoria. My firm name is Obako Design. The fact that we are designing for someone who is in the business of diamond, the idea of opulence had to be brought into the final expression. We achieved this with the finish for the example of dramatic backlit marble in powder room, hints of the gold in furniture, beautiful wind marble used in the flooring. Not to miss the huge chandelier as a statement of huge in the double high. We like to play with the scale and material in this project. The project provides us the ample opportunity for that. The brief from the client was simple. Provide a home to our family for a 4 such that it is a reflect for our times and lifestyle. This is the family of a diamond merchant in Surat. A modern family living with the time of yet very deeply connected with their Jain roots. Another requirement was to make the house fully Vastu compiled. In my years in the interior design field, I have noted the sure shift of homes to be designed for the single standing bungalows to apartments in high rises. It is a challenge now to pull the natural lights and green from the exterior to interiors, also providing luxury space. When the space is itself become a luxury, I think we have managed to find many opportunities in this project. The direction of the main entrance of the house was changed so as to suit Vastu. We used the solid wood, brass and jali to give the all visitor feel a grandeur. This full height door was carved and constructed on site by our very skilled team of craftsmen. They have beautifully hand carved all the solid wood door handles in the house. This has given a very unique character to each door. A main beauty of the apartment is the wide and open space of the entrance, connected with the pretty big size of spacious living room. The living room is divided into 3 parts, and it seems interesting as well as all 3 are connected with each other. Right corner living room space is oblong in the shape with the more number of setting. Natural feel is given by the using light color shades of sofas. The sun bedroom have a simple line design according to the personality of the person. Warm color tone used on the wall with the same matching dark shading used on back painted glass to highlight the bed back, wall TV units, wall and storage unit shutters. Overall, the room gives the calm and fresh feel. The use of blue and white color scheme in the other son's bedroom. It shows the space is for a young boy, which focus and contrast of vibrant and fresh look. Returning to the point about the being a devoted followers of Jainism, the home is regularly visited by respectable monks and the followers. The living room was thus designed such that there was a space for such a gathering. Natural shades of wall and carpet and curtains is highlighted by the color of the wall painting, flower vases, other accessories. Island format setting is a middle in the beautifully by of the dark maroon leather sofa, and last left corner has informal living room with the same color scheme as it is in the right color corner. It has TV unit of which paneling is finished with the onyx stone. The concept of the client was to show him royal and rich feel in the house. The 2-floor apartment connected with the single floor lift, the whole layout is set in such a way that each and every room seems very spacious, and especially the 3 main areas: living room, kitchen and dining. We have always tried in every project to promote local craft and skill. We as designers are blessed to be able to interact with amazing workers who can put it life into the project. All furniture and finish of this project have been made locally and the most on the site, including this one-tone glass chandelier. We hope this practice can keep giving a sustainability livelihood to all this skilled personnel. Master bedroom is given the feel of royal and rich suite bedroom. White and golden color scheme, divan with the coffee table added elegance to the bedroom. The attached bathroom also follows the same color scheme with the onyx wall cladding. Comfort and the modernity were on our mind. Trying the same color in the different texture and the finishes gave us the result of a richer space while keeping it simple. Each toilet has been crafted with lots of elegance to have a dramatic impact, while providing the functional comfort to users. Rich materials and the lights were used to highlight these areas. We went to extra distance to make sure all the accessories were in place before hand over to pamper our clients. Our experiments with putting different materials and the finishes continue into the dining room too. A false ceiling of color was just what added the twist to this zone. The character of this chandelier was a continue into the ceiling light. State-of-the-art home theater is a fully equipped to host 15 people. It is automated with the 2 light settings and has been fully rated for the superior acoustics. Mirror ceiling and a luxe finish aim to provide a full movie watching experience for the family and friends. A gym is usually given a sporty look and feel. We gave it the luxury feel by adding a mirror ceiling. This double and the feeling of a spaciousness and also gave a very different look. All in all, I speak for the team when I say we had a very functional and productive experience designing this home. In the process, we have tried to encourage local artisans and workers and hope to do more in this future.